Here we discuss Afynity. It's powered by the technology Dynamite by I2K Solutions. There are four main tabs: Home, Group, Mentor, and Profile. On top of every tab, there's a search icon. So let's see what it offers for home search. By searching here, you can actually look into all the knowledge resources backed up by Dynamite engine. So suppose I want to see kinematics. The moment I type 5 alphabets, suggestions start coming in from the engine. Now if you choose kinematics or mechanics in physics for competitive exam course, then you have to select this. All the resources starts coming in. You can see C means content supplied by the engine. So if you click here, you can see the content. So here is the lecture which you can play.
The important is that you have to realize that both
This way you can see any of these lectures by clicking here. If you click on this more, you can see lots of other things coming up which we'll explain one by one. So the search offers a very convenient way to look into the resources throughout the engine. Below this you can see suggested mentors who can help you in kinematics in this area and interesting groups that you can join. So these groups are all related to your area of search, and you can click here and you can join any of these suggested group by doing like this, or say like this. You can contact the mentor by clicking here and send the request, write your message, and then you can send. Mentors, if he wants, he can respond back. Such mentor and group suggestion you will see all throughout whenever you will search in any area in the home search. Afynity offers you good references from YouTube. So say we wish to search the same kinematics once again. Now let us choose a different course, and we will be choosing now kinematic, say in class 11-12 basics. You can see once again mentors who can help you and groups you can join is coming. This symbol indicates it's a YouTube lecture. Click on this and the YouTube lecture will start playing for you. Next is you can see good solid examples on the areas that you have chosen. For example, in kinematics, this is a good solid example. If there is a video solution, you'll get the video solution also. Afynity shows you some very important questions in the choice you have made. For example, in kinematics, if you have chosen, then if you go down this search, you will see the important questions listed like this. So you can study these questions. These are important ones, and see how others have performed on the top bar graph shown above. There is a very easy way to conduct short quizzes, and then mentee can easily attempt by coming here and putting the QBID preceded with Q. So if I put this, you can see 91796 is the QBID and Q is preceded here. I press enter. The question comes in front of you. You can attempt. If you have not paid, you will get this message of payment. You have to select the option and then you can say buy now. If there are more than one question given by the mentor, simply click here. Q has to be written. Put QBIDs one after another, separated by a comma. So I put a comma. So there are 3 questions now. I press enter. The 3 questions will come like this. one can attempt easily by clicking here. So this is a very convenient way to conduct short quizzes. You can just simply inform the question IDs and mentees can attempt. The assignments can be attempted easily by putting the code here and then pressing enter. It shows the assignment. Click on the assignment name. The assignment opens and you can attempt by clicking here. The tests can be attempted similar to assignments by putting the code here. Now I'll search. As you can see, you have the test paper, and since the test paper is already attempted, you have a personalized test report. You have the mentors who can help you in this assignment. You have the groups you can join related to this assignment. So if I click on this test paper, I see the entire paper. Now since I have attempted this paper earlier, I have this report. This personalized report not only gives right wrong, but it also gives me my wrong questions with solutions or answers, all on your mobile. Then most importantly, it gives you the feedback and remedial, which concepts to revise based on the performance in the assignment. And then down below you have suggested problems for remedial so that the weakness becomes strength. Below this, your ranking as on date, as on time is shown. This kind of feedback you have also for the assignments. This was for the test. At any time you can create your own group on the area you searched for collaboration with mentors and other mentees. Suppose you search force and picked up this. Now pressing on this plus sign will create your own group on force for class 9th. This group is created and all the group feeds will come here. Right now there is no feed. You can chat with others by typing message like this. You can add participants in the group that you have created and start collaborating. Participants have been added. It's your customized group. You can upload anything in this group. Chat. Say I want to upload this. I can crop it and then press on this. Your upload is there for the group to see. The home feed offers interesting options. You can scroll and see what's going on. You can like or you can comment. Now say you are having difficulty with something, you can simply upload using this icon here. You can choose the images or click here. Choose the camera or whichever drive you want. Click on crop and put your comment and simply say share. Your feed will come in. Our strong suggestion is that you put relevant things like your difficulties, etc., so that you get good inputs from the community. Group is meant for focused interaction, so it has some interesting features. On top it shows inbox for message exchange and all the groups that you have joined. Interesting groups are shown. In any group you have the group feed which you can see. You can chat in that group by clicking here, or you can search a new group. For example, if I search bio, it shows me my existing group and also suggested groups from all across the globe. I can click and I can join. The request is sent. Once the group administrator approves, I'll be joined in this group. However, you can even create a new group with any title. You can enter a group name and then you can say create group. The group is created. Now you can invite participants in this group, whichever group you have created, and do whatever is required. In the mentor tab, you can search the mentor from all the people who are acting as a mentor in the system. For example, I'm searching, then I get the mentor. I can send a request, and if he accepts me, then I will join his group. He'll be my mentor. So you can interact with all the mentors anywhere in the world. The profile tab and the search on the top gives you an option to search the community, and then you can follow them. Below here you can click as a mentor role and add areas of interest. So Afynity will send you only those feeds which are most relevant to you depending on your areas of interest.